River is a surface water flow that is elongated and flows continuously from upstream to downstream. Rivers have many functions, including as a river that carries water and nutrients to various areas around the earth. Rivers provide excellent habitat and food for many organisms on earth. Rivers provide travel routes for exploration, trade, and recreation. And finally, rivers are used for hydroelectric power and water turbines.
Indonesia has a lot of rivers, but unfortunately the rivers in Indonesia whose conditions are polluted and critical reach 82% of the 550 rivers. Here are some opinions about river pollution in Indonesia.
Penyebab dari kejadian pencemaran sungai sendiri adalah berasal dari masyarakat Indonesianya sendiri yang kerap kali lupa dan abai terhadap lingkungan atau kurangnya peduli terhadap lingkungan itu sendiri. Salah satu contohnya bisa kita lihat pada ibu kota besar kita sendiri, yaitu ibu kota DKI Jakarta. Kita bisa lihat di daerah pinggiran sungai, pinggiran kali di daerah ibu kota Jakarta, kerap kali masyarakat Jakarta masih saja membuang sampah di pinggiran kalinya atau pinggiran sungainya. Hal itu menyebabkan jika nanti ada hujan turun yang membasahi sampah tersebut akan terdorong atau terseret ke dalam sungai, yang dimana nanti sampah tersebut bercampur dengan air sungai yang menyebabkan warna air sungai menjadi mengkeruh dan ikut tercemar.
Pendapat saya tentang pencemaran sungai di Indonesia. Jadi, pencemaran sungai di Indonesia ini terjadi karena manusia membuang apa yang tidak sepantasnya dibuang ke sungai. Dan karena tindakan itu akhirnya terjadilah pencemaran sungai dan membahayakan warga sekitar.
I want to share my opinion about polluted rivers in Indonesia. River is the environment and it is a gift from God. I think it's a beautiful gift from God. In the river, we can find fish, shells, and the other animals and plants. It means river is a habitat for animals and plants. But now, I often find many rivers was polluted by waste and plastics. Why or what happened? The reason for this problem is it caused by a lack of public awareness.
Bagaimana pendapat saya tentang kondisi sungai di Indonesia yang tercemar? Pendapat saya adalah tentu saya sangat prihatin dengan keadaan tersebut karena sungai yang tercemar dapat menyebabkan kondisi keseimbangan alam terganggu.
Keadaan sungai saat ini berada dalam kondisi yang mengkhawatirkan. Banyak sungai tercemar karena ulah manusia, sehingga keadaan ekosistem hewan saat ini mulai terancam punah.
According to Medcom ID, the 7 most polluted rivers in Indonesia are Citarum River, Ciliwung River, Cisadane River, Bengawan Solo River, Brantas River, Kapuas River, Siak River. Even the Citarum River is one of the most polluted rivers in the world. I will explain why can rivers in Indonesia be polluted. First, because of garbage. Garbage is the biggest problem causing river pollution. Many people pollute the river without thinking about the danger. Second, industrial waste. Many companies are not environmentally aware. They dump their production waste into the river without being processed first. Third, household waste. This waste is in the form of liquid and solid waste from the kitchen, bathroom, and laundry. And the last, slum settlements in riverside. The large population growth rate affects the emergence of slum settlements. Usually occurs in large cities. People living in the settlements usually throw garbage into the river carelessly. In addition, slum settlements can also damage urban image.
And now I will explain about the impact of river pollution. The first, flood. Throwing garbage into the river causes the river flow to become clogged and over time it will overflow. Second, the emergency of various diseases such as itching and diarrhea. Third, the river becomes slum and unsightly. The fourth, the supply of clean water is reduced, even though clean water is needed for daily needs. The last, endanger the animals in rivers. Rivers that are polluted will lack oxygen. Here are some opinions about what the solution for this problem.
Ya, solusi yang tepat yaitu adalah kita memberikan edukasi pada masyarakat tentang bagaimana pentingnya menjaga lingkungan sekitar dan peduli terhadap lingkungan sekitar. Selain itu, kita harus memperbanyak area tempat sampah supaya masyarakat tidak banyak membuang sampah pada daerah-daerah sungai.
Solusi dari pencemaran sungai. Yang pertama, jangan buang apapun ke dalam sungai, seperti sampah ataupun zat-zat kimia berbahaya lainnya.
What is the solution for this problem? A simple solution is growing up a love of the environment. Everything starts from our personal awareness. So I hope that we can together growing up our personal awareness.
Saran saya lebih baik untuk masyarakat sekitar membuang sampah di tempatnya.
Hal kecil yang dapat kita lakukan adalah mulai membuang sampah pada tempatnya, membersihkan sungai secara rutin, dan kegiatan lainnya.
The solution are first, establishment of a stabilization pond. Second, wastewater treatment plant. Third, as much as possible to use an environmentally friendly detergent. The next, maintain river water quality. Fifth, stop throwing trash in sewers or drains. Last, moving to a flood provided by the government.
However, all solutions cannot exist without awareness. Therefore, we as people who are aware of the current situation are campaigning, and we also have to make changes in ourselves, and then we embrace all of you to take part in protecting the environment and clean the river. If not us, who else?
Ayo kita jaga kebersihan sungai dan ikut bekerja sama dan bergotong royong dalam membangun peduli lingkungan.
Ayo hindari pencemaran sungai dari sekarang. Kalau bukan kita, siapa lagi? Kalau bukan sekarang, kapan lagi?
Don't litter or don't throw waste and clean the environment.
Untuk semua yang menonton video ini, marilah kita menjaga sungai di sekitar kita. Sungai-sungai di Indonesia, mulai dari diri kita sendiri. Marilah kita meningkatkan kesadaran kita untuk menjaga keseimbangan alam, salah satunya di ekosistem sungai. Dengan kesadaran kita masing-masing tersebut untuk menjaga air sungai, kita dapat membuat kehidupan lebih bermanfaat lagi, karena sungai tersebut banyak manfaatnya untuk kita, untuk kehidupan ini.
Sungai bukanlah tempat sampah, namun marilah kita bersama-sama untuk menjaga sungai agar tetap terjaga dan tetap terjaga ekosistemnya.
In closing, we have a quote, and the quote is, "Heal the earth, heal our future." That's all for our video, and thank you for your attention. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye bye, see you next time.